Yeah, man. Knowledge of the true virgin, one more try. Today we are here to speak on this beautiful and powerful plant that is one of the underestimated one. It's called Susumber herb in Jamaica, where it bear a fruit. But we're here today to let you know that the plant can be consumed, because you know knowledge of the true virgin has it in what? Yes, man, the edible forms. Of course, the tablets that are made from cellulose. So here goes. We have 12 health benefits of Susumber plant that, yo, you don't want to skip this dial right now. Listen to this. So Susumber, first health benefits, it's antibacterial. That means our natural antibiotic that is more powerful than any doctor prescribed antibiotic on the planet. It is antifungal. You can use it to treat any form of disease that is caused from fungus. It is anti-cancer. You know, me can't call the name there, because it helps to stop excessive cell growth. Number 4, it is used to treat lungs infection. If you're in a era where your lungs is affected by ammonia, like for the persons who rear chicken farmers, who the most time have lungs infection, see help here, see it right here. So number 5, this is used to treat diabetes for a person with high blood pressure. So this lower your blood pressure if you're the one going through that. Number 6, Susumber is used to prevent what? Cardiovascular disease and strokes. It is very good for heart. Yeah, man, I heart herb this. Number 7, it prevent and heal what? Colon flu. Don't take it normal. Number 8, it is used to dry up mucus in the body. Hence, it is very effective to treat mucus, asthma, and coughing. Instant, this move cough for your throat. Yeah, man. Number 9, Susumber is used for preventing and treatment of kidney disease. If you're traveling, if you're having kidney failure right now, see the herb, yeah, and this are the herb. You understand? Number 10, Susumber herb regulates menstruation for women with heavy flow. There is the solution. So this is a solution for women with heavy flow. Me telling you, number 11, it is used to treat anemia. So it's high in the mineral called iron. Number 12, last but not least, it prevents or kills intestinal worms. So this is a natural dewormer for tapeworms and other worms. Yo, you can't have it much better in one more try. Knowledge of the true virgin on the motivational train. Check out my new book for more inspiration on Amazon that is called Earth, Peace and Light. I'm out. Susumber.